This will be a video on the Case JX55 farm tractor. Gonna be a 2-wheel drive unit. Got the big row crop tires on here, PTO, auxiliaries right there, 3-point. Looks like you need the bottoms, the arms off of there, so it is missing those arms. So probably more of a pull rig. Yeah, this back tires look good. Fronts are a little smoother ones. Yeah, I guess I'll jump up on there, run her around. Here's Justin, he'll hold it. That's the video. 58 horsepower Case, preview day February 16th, 9 to 4. We'll be here all day. Come on down, check out all the great items we have in this sale. February 17th is a sale. Thanks for watching.